In this video, we will take our first steps towards creating this scene by creating roads in RoadRunner. To get started, we have a blank canvas and we will select the Road Plan tool. Creating a road is as simple as right-clicking on the canvas to start a road, then right-clicking additional times to create road control points to extend and shape the road. We can easily adjust the road and create bends by moving the control points or adding additional control points by right-clicking on the blue control line. If we wanted to create a road of a particular style, we can select from one of the road styles in the asset library. We can join roads together by clicking the control point at the end of the road we want to extend, then right-clicking on the lavender line at the end of another road. Next, let's talk about road segments. We can use the Road Chop tool to divide a road into a number of segments. This allows us to customize the properties of individual segments. Click on the road to chop, then right-click at the locations that we want to chop to divide the road into segments. For example, if a section of the road has been recently paved, we can modify its properties without affecting the rest of the road. Simply select the Road Plan tool, select the road segment, then drag the desired surface material onto the attributes pane. Let's talk about changing a road's elevation. To do this, let us first start by creating a new road that intersects this existing road. To change the elevation, we can simply use the 2D editor to manually change the elevation of the road. If there is a specific height that is desired, specify it in the attributes pane, let's say 10 meters. Alternatively, we can use the Road Height tool and manually drag the road. Using the 2D editor, we can manually add height nodes as well to create a more complex profile. In this case, let's edit the profile so that the road forms a bridge over the existing road. Right-clicking on the 2D profile creates the height nodes we need to adjust the height profile of the bridge. Perfect. Finally, let's add some bridge railings to this overpass. To do this, go to the Extrusions folder in the library browser. We can drag the bridge railing asset onto the scene and snap it to both edges of the road. Thank you for watching.